Hey, so hoy les traigo un first impressions or I don't know. Well, I'm going to show you guys what I got from Crowdtap. This is a website where I went on and just started kind of figuring out how to do it. It reminds me a little. So it reminds me of influencer. You go in it and you do almost certain kind of things that influencer asks you to do as well. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. This is two of them, and I already kind of, you know, open what is the box, but I've never looked inside. So we're gonna figure this out together. So I got a lot of paper. Oh, okay, so this is the hair repair conditioner and this is the shampoo. So, oh my god, it smells so good, like I could smell it. And it's not even open. So, this is the brand. And then it says, did you know that your hair loses keratin over time, weakness, damaging in hair? So I'm gonna give this a try. And then you get right here the website name. And then look up the email for about your submission, then enter the submission, then high five yourself. So eso fue lo que yo cogí de lo que me mandaron. And oh, they sent me more. Estos son los otros que me mandaron. So, este website básicamente es lo que tú haces es como influencer. Tú vas y llenas unos cuestionarios y algunas cosas que tienes que hacer y ellos te mandan cosas. So, ya ustedes saben más o menos qué es lo que se trata el video, y voy a dejar lo que es el website aquí abajo para que ustedes también puedan registrarse. So this is basically it. I know that it was fast, but it is an unboxing. So I'm going to leave the information down below for you guys to go check it out and maybe register and see what you get.